Yeah. Yes. We can go up already.
Cogsworth, it will be all right. I'm frightened, Lumiere. Oh, I know, my friend, but you are not alone.
We're all in this together.
It's time for dinner. Where is she?
Perhaps I should see Martha. Won't be a minute.
I told her to come down. What's taking so long?
Well, Master, you must give us some time. The girl has lost her father and her freedom all in one day.
Master, have you thought that perhaps this girl could be the one that's come to break the spell?
Of course I have.
I'm not a fool. Good. So, you fall in love with her, and then she fell in love with you, and boom, the spell is broken. We'll be human again by midnight.
Oh, Lumiere, it's not that easy. These things take time.
But we haven't got time. The rose has already begun to wind.
It's no use. She's so beautiful, and I'm... Well, look at me.
He has a point.
Master, you must help her to try to see past all that.
I don't know how.
Well, you can start by trying to make yourself look more presentable. Straighten up. Try to act like a gentleman.
Impress her with your rapier wit.
What? Be gentle.
Shower her with compliments.
What? Be sincere.
And above all,
What?
You must control your temper.
Well?
What?
Where is she?
Who? Oh, yes, the girl. Yeah, well, she's in the process of actually circumstances being what the... She's not coming. She's not coming.
Did you say?
She's not coming.
There you are!
Your Lordship, your Grace, your Eminence, that's
Oh,
not
what?
me.
Stand aside. I thought I told you to come down to dinner.
I'm not hungry.
I am the master of this castle, and I'm telling you to come to dinner.
And I'm telling you I'm not hungry.
You're hungry if I say you're hungry.
Don't be ridiculous.
Did you say?
You can't go around ordering people to be hungry. It doesn't work like that.
I can.
Besides, it's rude.
Oh, rude is it? Well, how about this? If you don't go down to dinner, I'll drag you by the hair.
That may not be the best way to win the girl's affections.
Would you be so kind as to join me for dinner? Please!
No, thank you.
Why next door? Oh, master, please! If she doesn't eat with me, she doesn't eat at all!
What were we thinking? We'll never be human again. So it appears.
What would the two of you have us do? Give up? I can't give up until I hear the sound of my boy's laughter as he runs through these halls again.
Quite right, Mrs. Potts. We mustn't give up while there's still a chance. Lumiere, stand watch outside the door, and if there is the slightest change, inform me at once.
Oui, mon capitaine.
I'm just fooling myself. She'll never see me as anything but a monster. Show me the girl.
I know the master can be temperamental, but underneath all that magic fur, he's really not so bad. You should give him a chance. Why, did he give my father a chance? Well, no. But once you get to know him, I don't want to get to know him. I don't want to have anything to do with him.
Director commentary. The track apparently was in the wrong place, and we're about to shut it down and start over.
Yeah, I totally had a brain fart.
Jamie just had a brain fart, he said.
Go back to Lisa's dialogue. Sondra's dialogue. Do it again.
I know the master can be temperamental, but underneath all that magic fur, he's really not so bad. You should give him a try. Why, did he give my father a chance? Well, no. But once you get to know him, I don't want to get to know him. I don't want to have anything to do with him.
Show me how to win the world's forgiveness. Oh. No! What did they say? Shower her with confidence. Impress her with your wit. Act like a gentleman. Act like a gentleman.